Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Hat Potato. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for level one. What you're gonna have to do is grab your paper ball and place it inside of the hat, and you're gonna have to pop it up and catch it, okay? While you're popping and catching, you're gonna have to hold yourself up and balance on one foot, okay? So I'm gonna have my left leg down, then my right leg is gonna go up like this, and I'm gonna have to pop and catch, pop, oops. If I fall over, I have to get myself settled, pop and catch, okay? Pop and catch. Your goal, again, is to see how many consecutive pops and catches you can get in 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, I'm gonna pop and catch. That doesn't count. Start over. 0. Switch sides. 1, 2. Does not count. Got 2 consecutive tries. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah! Okay, that doesn't count. All right, so 4 consecutive tries. 1, 2. All right. So I get 4 is my highest. Woo! All right. So 1. All right. Keep going. Keep going. Woo! 1. Up. Switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, gotta get rid of 8. All right, so at the buzzer, I got 8 little pops and catches, ball, bouncing. All right, so now we're moving on to level 2. Now level 2, we're actually gonna be moving. So you're gonna grab your hat, again, place your paper ball inside, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start at my white cone, and I'm gonna pop it up like a hot potato, pop it up, and I'm gonna pop and catch while traveling. If it falls over, I start over, back at the white cone. And my goal is to pop and catch as many times as I can. Every time I get to the white cone, I get 2 points. So I'm gonna go back and forth, kind of like I'm in a track. Every time I get to the white cone, I get 2 points. You're gonna have 1 minute to see how many times you can go around and collect points. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll try level 2 in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, I have to pop and catch. If it falls to the floor, I start over. Every time I make it to the white cone, I get 2 points. So I do not make it around, no points. Pop, catch. Ah, this got away from me. Starting over. Hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot potato. All right, so I got 2 points. Every time I get to the white cone, I get 2 points. All right, so that's 4 points. Oh. All right, 4 points. Start over. Points. 8 points. All right, so for level 2, I was able to get 8 points. Can you beat my score? Drop a comment down below. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Hat Potato. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity, what modifications you would have made. Don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE spot. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.